listen. Seeing you got ritualistic. Cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yep. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Shit from miles away. Listen to the things you say. Listen on my ways like it when you shit from miles away. Listen to the things you say. Listen on my ways like it when you
So the car's been overheating and I couldn't figure out what it was. I checked the radiator. I checked the reservoir. Everything looked good. Everything was full. And then I came to the conclusion that it's my thermostat. So that's why I got up early today, because we're about to replace it. I've done this one time with Emily's dad, so let's see if I can do it by myself this time, because I got it now. I got this shit. Let's get it. So at first I was planning to do this at Emily's office, but I can knock this shit out in like 15 minutes. So, let's get to it, baby. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, you know what I'm saying? So we got the whole car right here. Let's get it started. Gotta remove that cap right there. We'll put this right here upside down so we don't get none of that shit dirty. Should have brought a tripod. Move the bay. I'm gonna have to clean that. That shit's a little fucking dirty. Yeah, we're gonna have to clean that soon. So my entire bay is dirty, bro. But you see how my reservoir's full? My reservoir's full, my radiator's filled too, fan's working fine. So that's why, like I'm saying, I think it's just the thermostat. But let's go ahead and put this bitch here. Now we need to remove all this right here. So we got stuff for that. I always carry my tools in the Jeep, just in case, because we use the Jeep a lot to go out of town. So I keep all my tools right here. This was a gift to me, and honestly, everything might be everywhere. Yeah, that's what I figured. But we're good. We're good. Now let's check and see if I can get this to work this way, and I cannot. We're gonna loosen this bad boy up. I'm gonna take this. You know, I'm very lucky to have had Emily's dad as a father-in-law, because he taught me a lot. He taught me a lot. Yep. So we gotta take that thing off right there. So we just had to remove that little knob right there, this little thing we have here. We gotta be careful when we're doing stuff, because the brakes, and I gotta replace that shit. That's fucking annoying, right? Alright, and then I gotta unscrew that one. So give me 2 seconds. So, we got the covers off, we got all this stuff off. Now we have an exposed motor. Look at that. So, we're going to remove this is what we're removing. We're swapping this out for a new one, so I gotta take that off. That shit's really hot, so hopefully nothing comes out of there. That's super fucking hot. Alright, let's get it. But yep, it's only steaming because the car was on, it was hot. But now we gotta remove this. So that's a good thing we get this out. Let's let this cool down a little bit, and then we'll get to this hole. So now we're gonna get to this thermostat now that everything cooled down. I need to remove these screws, so let's see if we can get to it. There it is. It was hot. That's the odor. Got the new one on, put everything back together. Then we're gonna move this, put it back on there, and we're gonna start the car. And we're gonna add some oil because the reservoir is gonna need it. So let's do that.
Part of putting trust from the distance. I think that you love payment now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just going to leave it. Don't be
Alright, so got everything on now. Everything's back. But we're gonna have to add some antifreeze here, some coolant there. Because here we're good, it's full there. But here, it emptied the fuck out. So let's fill that bitch up. Alright, hopefully this is enough. I thought this was more full, but I think I used it the other day, like a while ago. But let's try to fill this up. Let's see if we can get this. Into there. Gotta fill up this radiator, man. There it goes. It's bubbling. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Let's go. Let it all go down for a sec. And I believe we're almost topped off, y'all. I think we're there. I think we did it. I think we fucking did it. Now we gotta start the car and see how everything goes. Alright, let's put all this stuff up and let's see how the temperature's looking in the car. I'm gonna drive it around a little bit, and I'm praying we got this because we did that shit. We just did that shit. Alright, so just check. There's no leaks. Nothing's going on. Everything looks good. And we did it, y'all. Look at that. Right in the middle. That's what it was. My thermostat. Hell yeah. Hell fucking yeah. Did that shit. Let's go. Alright, so we just drove the car around the neighborhood. Stayed in the middle. Stayed cool the whole time. Now let's peep this out one more time to make sure there's no leaks. Just gotta make sure one more time. Because I just drove it around. And bro, shit, we're looking solid. Look at that. No fucking leaks, bro. No leaks, it's in there. We did good, we did that shit. Hell yeah.